Well, I haven't made a video in a few days. It's because it's nasty out. It's supposed to be spring, and we had a few days of spring weather. I got a bunch of stuff done. Moved just a lot of stuff out, but even went mudding a little bit. Then I got freezing cold again. Finally pushed myself out today on Sunday to come do a little bit of work in my garage. The way I have this battery bank hooked up right now for charging is I have 3 sets of 2 gauge boosted cable. I have them set up so like this negative and that positive is one boosted cable, then that positive and this negative, and so on all the way across this bank, so it charges as evenly as possible. With my testing so far, I ran a couple hours at high load through the inverter, through these cables. This is not ideal, but it's just for testing. I ran at about 200 amp load, and the voltage drop from this side to this side was only 0.04 volt. So we're talking almost no drop at all. So if I pull off the middle, I'm pretty sure I can just pull off the middle of this bank and I won't have to worry about anything. Now it's a 200 amp load. I might in the future, I might start by pulling off the middle, and then maybe I'll pull off the ends as well, but yeah, this is looking quite promising. This bus bar seems to be able to handle a lot of current without dropping in voltage. But the video I'm doing today again is the Power It from Walmart. And this is the second one I got. I blew the fuse again, but it wasn't actually the fuse that blows. The fuse doesn't blow. What causes the fuse to blow is these stupid MOSFETs are garbage on these things. They're just junk. So this one, I don't know if you'll see it. There's a spark and some smoke. Let's see if I can get this in here. Will it focus? Right there. See that dark spot right at the end of my finger? That's where that MOSFET blew up. So I gotta check them all again. Hopefully I got a MOSFET I can use to replace it. But I replaced the fuse. Here, let's get this to focus. What's going on here? Alright, so I replaced the fuse. The old fuse is right here. They clip the fuses down. I bought actually 5 of these fuses. I'm gonna get some sort of breaker or something to put in there. But I'm gonna breaker it at 50 amps instead of 60 amps because 60 amps is killing these MOSFETs, which is no good. Bad design. I was testing this thing with a Sawzall, a variable speed, so I started at super low and it ran no problem, and I just ramped it up slowly. I only got, like, the thing was barely running, and then it popped this MOSFET. Garbage. So the other one, my other one, I abused it way more than this. I did not expect this to go like that, but look at this tiny transformer. 500 watts is like this thing's surge, and this thing is more like a 400 watt inverter maybe. But the thing about this is the battery inside is absolutely amazing for the price. The inverter is kind of cheap and cheesy, but I mean it works. You just have to be extremely gentle with it, like laptops and TVs and small stuff only. From all my testing I've done, that's the only thing it can handle. So I'm going to look at replacing this MOSFET now. So these here are my MOSFET choices. These are AC MOSFETs, and I know that. So I keep those there. I don't want those. And this is the MOSFET that died. I won't zoom in. Oh, hold on a second. There we go. That's the MOSFET that died. I'm thinking about replacing it with this one here. This is, I don't know how to find the data sheets for these. I googled it, and I just got a whole bunch of like crap on the internet. There's no data sheets that I can find. I don't know how I would find them, but these are what I have to work with. I have a few more I can salvage out of inverters, but I just take them off the DC side, and if it works on one inverter, I hope it works on the other, and I'll be soldering it up there. The rest of these, I don't know if I should replace both of them in pairs, but I'm going to try one. If it doesn't work, I'm going to repair both of them. Hopefully that's the only problem with this thing. So I replaced this end one here, and then I did some more testing, and it looks like these two AC MOSFETs, on the AC side, they're shot. These ones are fine. So it looks like these probably blew first. Killed the DC side, which blew the fuse. That's from what I'm understanding so far on this thing. These diodes seem to be okay. These MOSFETs seem to be okay. But luckily I still have two AC MOSFETs right there. That's the ones I used last time and they worked, so hopefully they work this time. After thoroughly checking it, let's do focus here. All the input MOSFETs were shot. Two of the output MOSFETs were shot. And this is what I got so far. Here's my graveyard. In there. All dead. So these are the inputs. These are the outputs. And then I have two different sets for input here. I already replaced the output FETs. These two are a pair, and these two are a pair. These are out of two different inverters. They're both inputs. These are all I have left. I've used them all. I'll show you my collection of inverters. Here's my collection of dead inverters that I've salvaged. I've a whole lot of these output FETs. I don't know if I can use them or not, but I'm just sticking to if it's on an output on an inverter, I'm replacing the outputs on this with the same ones, so we'll see. Hopefully this works after. If not, well, I still got a giant battery. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to continue to put this together and see if I can get it working again. Alright, let's see my not so good soldering job. Here's one. Here's another. Here's another. Here's the best one right there. I had to scrape in between them just to make sure that no solder was bridging between them right there. As you can see, that's what looks so bad. But anyways, let's see what we got here. Sorry, got it on manual focus here. Okay, two different types. These are all AC MOSFETs. I'm going to try it like this. I can probably get two more of these to put here so they're all matching. Probably would be the best. But we're going to try this for now first. Last time I tried it, I left the two originals here that came with this inverter. And the inverter turned on, but no output power. There was no short, no nothing, because I got rid of all the dead MOSFETs. I've replaced 8 MOSFETs, 4 on the DC side, 4 on the AC side. These are just diodes, I believe. I checked the AC fuse, it's good. So I'm hoping I can get it working. We'll see. We're going to go attempt number 3. I think this is going to be my last try for tonight. Worked on this too long for now. If this works, this light should come on when I hit this button, or magic smoke or something. So here we go, first time test. So it says inverter is on, but still no red light. It's not on. It looks like it's on, but it's not on. Dang it. It says it's working though. That's the weirdest thing. like I said, I checked that fuse, and the fuse seemed to be good. I'm going to check it again, but I don't know. It's kind of got me. Maybe somebody's got a suggestion what it could be, but I'm wondering if it's maybe these mismatch MOSFETs. I kept the DC input MOSFET together and the AC MOSFET together, and I tested them. There was no shorts. Maybe there's some stuck open, I'm not sure. Anyways, this might just end up being a battery, and my other power it might be the one with the inverter, and I'll just hook it up through the Anderson plugs. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. It was a fail today, but maybe I'll get this working another time. See you later. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it.